Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is part 8 of my 10-part series on artificial intelligence. Today I'll show you how to optimally use AI tools in both everyday life and work. So sit back, grab a coffee and let's dive together into the world of AI applications. If this topic captivates you and you don't want to miss an episode, it's best to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. That way, you won't miss anything. Let's get started. AI is no longer just for large companies or tech experts, it is available to all of us. In this video you will learn how to use various AI tools to make everyday tasks easier. It's not only about automating routine tasks but also about how you can support your creativity and decision-making with smart technologies. I will explain to you why it is important to engage with these tools and how they can help you save time and energy both in your personal and professional life. AI in everyday life. Practical application examples. Imagine you could organize your daily routine more effectively and automate constantly repetitive tasks. For example, through email management, use tools like ChatGPT to create email drafts, formulate responses or summarize important information from long email chains. Personal organization. Modern calendar apps and note-taking programs, also based on AI, can help you manage your appointments intelligently, set reminders and even automatically prioritize your tasks. Content creation. Whether for social media, blogs or creative projects, AI can help you generate ideas, write texts and overcome writer's block. I will show you how these applications not only make your daily life easier but also optimize your free time by giving you more time for important things. AI in the workplace. More efficiency and innovation at the workplace. Even in a professional environment, AI tools offer you enormous advantages, for example in data analysis and reporting. With the help of AI, you can analyze large data sets in a very short time and create meaningful reports. This not only saves time but also enables well-informed decisions. Automate routine tasks. From creating presentations to handling standard inquiries. Many tasks that otherwise take a lot of time can be automated. Improved communication. Virtual assistants support you in organizing meetings, creating conference summaries and even facilitating multilingual communication. I explain how these tools transform your workday and help you work more creatively, giving you more time for creative and strategic tasks. Introduction of useful AI tools. There are already a variety of tools that ease your entry, such as ChatGPT. This versatile tool not only helps you write emails or texts, but also serves as a creative partner for brainstorming sessions. Notion AI. An integrated solution for notes, project management and task management. Notion AI helps you structure complex projects and efficiently organize information. Grammarly or language tool. These tools ensure that your written communication is always professional and error-free by helping you correct texts. Automation tools. With Zapier you can connect apps and services and automate routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more important projects. We will see which features of these tools are particularly helpful and how they integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow. Tips for the effective use of AI. To fully exploit the potential of AI tools, I have some practical tips for you. Clear goal setting. Define which tasks you want to automate or optimize. A clearly defined goal helps you find the right tool and use it purposefully. Regular updates. AI technologies are rapidly evolving. Make sure your tools are always up to date to benefit from new features and security updates. Training and further education. Take time to watch tutorials and familiarize yourself with the features of the tools. Invest in your further education to fully exploit the possibilities of technology. Data protection. Ensure that the tools you use comply with the applicable data protection regulations and that your data is secure. These tips will help you integrate artificial intelligence into your everyday life and work as smoothly as possible. Practical demonstration: a day with AI tools. Let's go through a typical day where you use AI tools effectively. Your smart calendar automatically creates a weekly schedule in the morning based on your meetings and tasks. At the same time, you use ChatGPT to generate email drafts for the day. After lunch, during a coffee break, you analyze sales figures with an AI-powered analysis tool and receive a detailed report in a few minutes. In the afternoon, you work on a creative project supported by Notion Air, which structures your ideas and sets priorities. At the same time, you use Grammarly to write an important report without errors. In the evening, you review the day's summary, plan the next day, and get inspired by the new possibilities that AI offers you. This demonstration shows you how seamlessly AI tools can integrate into your daily life and help you be more productive and creative. Challenges and tips for integration. Although tools around AI offer many advantages, there are initial challenges. Familiarization time. New technologies often require a certain learning phase. Use online tutorials, webinars, and forums to get familiar with the tools. Building trust. It is normal to be skeptical at first. Test different tools to find out which one best fits your needs. This is how you build trust in the technology. Balance between automation and personal touch. AI can automate many tasks but does not replace human creativity and intuition. Use the tools as support, not as a complete replacement. We have seen concrete examples of how we can overcome these personal challenges. Future outlook. Further development of AI tools. Technology is rapidly evolving and AI tools are becoming increasingly intelligent and user-friendly. Future applications will be even more tailored to your individual needs, from customized text suggestions to intelligent workflows. Integration into existing systems. More and more companies are seamlessly integrating AI into their work processes, leading to a significant increase in productivity. New areas of application. Tireless research will open up new fields of application that were previously unimaginable, thus creating completely new opportunities in both private and professional spheres. Let's summarize. AI tools give you the opportunity to save time, optimize processes, and unleash your creativity, whether in everyday life or in your profession. The targeted use of AI can not only boost your productivity but also open up new exciting creative opportunities for you. In the upcoming videos of my series, I will highlight more interesting aspects of AI and provide you with even more practical tips on how you can benefit from these technologies. Next time we will delve deeper into the subject. Therefore, the 9th episode is called Trying Out AI Yourself. If you liked this video and want to learn more about artificial intelligence, then subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any episodes of the series. I am very happy to receive your comments. Write to me about which aspects of AI fascinate you the most or what questions you have. This way, I can tailor the content even better to your interests. Thank you for being here today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video when we take a closer look at trying AI ourselves. Stay curious.